Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can share Apple Music with family. So for this to happen, you're going to have a family sharing plan within your iCloud account. Now, how can you check this? Just go ahead and click on your phone settings. From here, click your name from the top and then look for family sharing and click on that. So you should see any subscriptions or whatever you have shared within the family. Now go ahead and click on subscriptions. Any existing subscriptions that you have shared should be shown here. Now if you haven't had shared any Apple Music yet, go ahead and click on Apple subscriptions. And then from here you can choose Apple Music. Now if you want to add a family member into this space, go ahead and click that plus sign on your top right. You can actually add up to 5 more people to your family. So here you can invite or you can even create a child account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can share your Apple Music with family. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.